I'm John with SAMCO Appraisal Management Company. You know, when I look into the crystal ball to view the future of mortgage lending, I see the same thing that you see, a big gray fog. No one can predict the future, but we all know this. Because of the S&L crisis of the late 1980s and the recent banking crisis of 2008, the banking industry is under a regulatory microscope, and the agencies and their examiners are under intense pressure to ensure appraisals and evaluations accurately reflect the assets or security of the local community bank. There have been many announcements from all of the regulatory agencies and the GSEs, but one stands out. That's the Interagency Appraisal and Evaluation Guidelines. These regulations focus on the separation of the loan production staff from the real estate appraiser and, most importantly, requires a bank to review each appraisal for compliance with the Uniform Standards of Professional Practice, or what we call USPAP. These changes are for both residential and commercial lending. Requirements for evaluations have been dramatically changed also, and this will affect your consumer lending department. The past few years have been turbulent times for the banking industry, with an increasing regulatory burden and the challenge of tighter margins. But SAMCO will reduce the community bank's non-interest expense to income ratio. We will improve the quality of the appraisal report, and we will improve the appraisal evaluation turn time. In this next year, as the community banker and my industry, the appraisal management, develop closer ties to each other, SAMCO will continue to strengthen our current client relationships and develop those same strong relationships with our new community bank clients. I'm sure you have questions, and I know you have concerns. What's the next step for you? Call my direct line at 937-569-0578. Thanks.